My goodness, this is such a win that it deserves its own Slack channel. Had to go and create one. So I've been working on my glossary of terms, and I really wanted to be able to show all of the other terms that are under that topic when I go into a specific one. Created a helper database with a whole bunch of properties, 6 deleted properties to try to get it to work. Over here I have 5 deleted properties that, if you didn't know, you can always refresh and return. But by golly, I did it. If we come in here and we click that new term button, you'll see that, oh, we have 4 productivity terms. Well, cache, that's not actually a productivity term, that's an information technology term. So I'll drag it over there, and by golly, would you look at that, it updated. I'm working hard on this, and I finally got it to work. So